Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this UCC live cookware set granite series. So it has 10 pieces inside. Comes with the 20 centimeter, 24, 28, 32 and shallow casserole 28 centimeter. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you've bought this pot. How is it for you? Before buying this pot, I saw someone made a review about it and it was complaining bitterly about the quality and everything. But at the same time, the person that where I bought this one, they made it known to me that maybe the person bought fake. That's why the person had that review, had bad experience with the pot. So I don't know if it is same. I would like to know if you bought this set of pots before. How is it for you? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm just going to quickly unbox it. Nothing much here. So this is, I got the black. I think they have different colors. They have these are the three available colors: it's black, cream and blue. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. So set the box aside. Wow, it's quite heavy. Let's just set all the parts on the side and review the main part. So this is it. So let's start with this one. So when picking this pot, I saw some other pots there, other granite pots, and this one has more quality compared to those ones. In terms of when you even carry it, it has weight compared to the ones I saw there. Those other ones were really light. So the seller was like, UCC live is best, and this is the same pot I saw bad review on. So let me know in the comment section how is it for you if you're using this particular pots. So this is the 20 centimeter, I guess. Then this is the next one. I think this is the 24 centimeter. So this is, I think these are for the handle, for the cover. Let's see how it looks. It has this kind of red detail, red finishing. It looks nice and solid. It looks nice and solid. I hope this pot does not disappoint me because it's very expensive, guys. It's very expensive. I only bought it because the seller was like, maybe that person bought fake, theirs is original and everything. So let's just open up everything. This is the shallow pot. I wasn't really impressed with this one. I wanted a deeper pot, and they say this is 28 centimeter, but shallow. And then here we have the covers. This is for the big one, 32 centimeter. I like the finishing. I like the look. It's very nice. I just pray it lasts long. And this is for the big pots. And this is, I like, one thing I also like about this pot is how it's covered. Like the previous pots, it doesn't really cover well. When you cover, you still have some space that are open, but with this one it goes in very well and cover nicely. I love that about this pot. I love the part that it covers nicely. So let me quickly fix this stuff here, then I'll come and show you guys how it looks. So let's fix this cover for this big one. I fixed this one, and I hope I get it right. I hope I got it right. Let's fix this one. I think this goes in here. No, this way. Then this one goes in this way. Then so this is it. This is the biggest size, the 32 centimeter, and this is the 20 centimeter. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this UCC live, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.